From protection to love, we are adding a little bit of magic to your morning.
Yes, Hannah O'Neill's creator of Réaltaí Readings is here to show us how spells can really work at home. Good morning to you.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are
Thanks
you?
for having me.
How did you get involved in all this spells and spookiness?
It was more during COVID, so I really got into tarot readings. We were all in very unexpected times. We had a lot of time on our hands as well. And that's when tarot really came about. So I started off with tarot. I'm a tarot reader, Reiki master, all those things. And also spells and manifestations. Like, we were really getting into journaling, gratitude list. And with spells, they're intentional. It's similar to the way we pray for hope. Like, every action you do is bringing forward the spell, making it more magical, you know? So that's really how I got into it.
So you're doing a spell book series in October on your Instagram. I was watching it there, Réaltaí Readings, if you want to go check it out as well. And you've got two of the spells that you've been doing on your Instagram as well. So there's one for protection and one for love. Should we get cracked into them? Let's see how it cracks.
There. Okay, this is the protection one.
So what do we talk about for protection? Why would you be using this spell?
So protection spells are amazing for wearing off any evil eyes, you know. So may it be that someone's putting it on you, or just if you're a natural empath and you like absorb a lot. So if we think of eggs are actually a big thing in science with like fertility, creation, but also when we have eggs in spirituality, they're seen as sponges. So they're actually seen to absorb anything that we're holding on to. So we have our eggs here. We also
What do you do?
So we've got, let's go paprika here, we've got some cayenne pepper, you've got some salt, and you've got, more salt. Okay, so I'm worried, what do I pick the egg up?
Pick the egg up, yeah, and then set your intention to rid anything that you're holding on to. So from there, you can actually very gently start to rub it around the body, and the shoulders are amazing. Think of like the weight of the world on our shoulders, heaviness you're carrying. Around the back would be really good, so backstabbing,
Oh,
anything
for backstabbing?
there, yeah. So anyone who's putting things on you,
now.
Exactly.
There's a lot of that.
So around the arms, hips.
Okay, right.
Everything. So once you feel like you've absorbed everything, you're going to crack it into a glass of water here. And straight away, once that's in, you would cover the top. So crack it in there and cover the top of the glass. Yeah. So this is where you're going to read the egg. So we can see with this. There's a lot of cloudiness.
There's a lot of cloud in that. Are they old eggs?
No, but check the date. That's really important.
That's bad, isn't it? Negativity.
Yeah, so cloudiness is what you're holding on to. So if it's like brain fog, like
there's a lot of brain fog there. Look at that, Tommy.
There actually is.
There's a lot of that.
I can feel real heat coming off it as well.
Well, it's hot
there
water.
You go. It's energy there.
Okay, right. So why would I be putting the pepper and that sort of salt into it?
So paprika, cayenne pepper, anything chili, think of that as the aggression that people are putting onto you. You're sending that back to the person.
Okay.
So you're going to drown it in the paprika, and salt is amazing for protection. You see a lot of salt rings even in movies, you know, and that would be a big thing as protecting your energy.
Okay.
So,
do you use garlic? Because I've got the old Dracula or the Frankenstein.
You could do, yeah.
The garlic will protect you from the vampires.
Right,
yeah,
so
absolutely,
this here, put all that in.
Yeah.
So that's putting the sea salt in and the paprika.
And then what do I do?
You would flush that down the toilet. So we're not doing it today, but you'd flush it away. So you flush it 3 times down. 3 is a number of creativity.
Can I pour it in the sink?
I think it would clog the sink, so I wouldn't be doing the sink.
Let's flush it down the toilet later.
What did that egg tell me? What did it tell you?
So if there's anything like needles, spikes, that can be seen as like swords, you know, so like what people are putting onto you. If it's clear, it's completely fine. Bubbles will be that it's been a successful spell. It's after absorbing things. Wow. So it's a great time just to, you know, see what you're holding on to.
I'll go and flush this down the toilet 3 times later on. Right, let's move on to love.
It's all gone. All that negativity is gone. Okay, love potion. What's this to do? What do you do with this?
So as I was saying, love spells are amazing for bringing love forward, but love can be very broad. It can be friendships, it can be the relationship with yourself. So good for even, you know, New Year's. So what you want to become, who you're becoming, and also relationships.
Okay.
So we have a couple of tools here, but the first thing I'm going to get you to do is write down the qualities you would like to bring forward in a relationship. This is a great time of reflecting.
Oh, really?
Okay,
yeah,
come
so
on,
see what it is that you would like to bring forward.
Are we allowed to read what he said?
I'm not too sure. It's a bit private, but we can go ahead.
Jeez, Al, that's getting very deep, isn't it?
I like happiness in a relationship. I like respect. And we'll just keep those two
Yeah,
for the moment.
keep it there.
Okay.
So we're going to fold that up. And
Alright.
then we're going to get a few tools here. So we have a bag to hold everything together. Here we have some crystals. So these are crystals most people may have in their collection. The biggest thing I'd recommend is rose quartz.
Okay.
Rose quartz is this pink
is a
crystal
rose
here.
quartz, yeah. Okay.
And it's
Can
to
you
do
put
with
that in the
love.
bag?
Yes, I would put that in the bag. And then petals. So think of, Valentine's Day, what your lover would give you. So flowers. I went with pink and red, really associated with love and the heart chakra.
Loves that, yeah. Very nice. And some more
You can
petals.
pop some in.
So these all go in here.
Yeah, and
so
then
these
you're
all
gonna
go
put
into
that
your
in.
bag.
All into your bag.
And then what?
Then what do you
Then
do?
close it up
Yeah.
and bring it up to the heart chakra. So this is the center of the chest.
Yeah.
Now, you can put loving intentions in here. So you're really spells are intentional is what you put into it. But I'm going to read out a spell here. So when you're closing your eyes, all right,
We're
read
going to
this
have to
out.
go quick. We're going to have to go quick.
So bring to me a love so sweet with romance, joy and harmony, with nothing to fear, nothing to doubt, just sweet memories we can talk about. Now, I have that on my Instagram there, and then you pop that under your pillow.
Hannah O'Neill for Realty Readings, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
That's all the time we have tonight. Or today. Have a great day.
He's going to flush that down the loo and see you tomorrow.